My body was broken. Just how badly I wouldn't find out until later. But I felt healed. Healed at last. I laughed. Hello everyone. I'm accepting the book reading challenge by DCMC. And in this, I'm going to talk about the book The Kite Runner by Khalid Hosseini. Khalid Hosseini is basically an Afghan American writer, and he has written a lot on Afghanistan war. And The Kite Runner is his debut novel. I have just finished the book and I'm still sad. I'm still shocked. I'm still drowning in the brilliance of this book. This book is definitely something that you don't want to miss. Believe me. The characterization is so well described that you fall in love with them all just after a few pages. This book is by far the best book which I have read. That makes me emotional, that makes me sad, that makes me happy, tensed, shocked, and every other emotion that one can have. The surprises in the story, the main plot points, the turning points, they all make you keep on changing the pages. The setting, the situation, the thought process of the characters is so well described that you can easily imagine everything. It's so relatable that you know what that emotion is. You know what one do in that situation. The element of distress, sadness, and emotional traumas, everything that could make one person cry is there in this book. Khalid, the writer, has done a brilliant job, especially in last few chapters where he blows you with some emotional turmoils after 2 or more pages, and you cry. You literally cry. Tears roll down so easily that you just want to keep the book aside, cry your heart out, and start again. And in the end, everything is jotted up so well that you are left with such a beautiful memory, teary eyes, runny nose, and a smile that is in transition of crying and laughing. Definitely a must read book. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead. Thank you.